Hello. Yep. Check. Yep. Yep. I'm live. Yep. Yep. Okay. So I guess this would be not my second time streaming, but second time on YouTube. The camera is inverted. Yeah. So today I'm gonna try to figure out how to set up stream stuff using OBS and everything. So yeah. So I figured out like on how to do transitions in here. So let me pick. Yeah, there you go. So I figured out that thing, but there's a lot of stuff to figure out, anyways. So yeah, let's try do some of those stuff. So one of the stuff that I also have figured out is to add text. Let me try add text again. Hello. All right. There you go. The text. Voila. Yep. Now I have figured out this kind of thing. So yeah, I kind of get the basics of it. So I mean like, yeah, I can stream now. And you learn and everything. So my problem is with my camera is that my camera had it have wide angle, have have the wide scale, so the landscape scale. So I kind of like put a filter, the crop filter, so that's why like the edges of my camera now has this kind of stretch it. Yeah, that's why I might need better lighting to ta-da. Yeah, it's quite better. I kind of not like the camera effect. Now I have this chat thing. I made some basic layout now. And as you might have seen, don't have any loading screen. Might as well come up with that today. But I don't have like a specific design for my channel, so that has to. I need to brainstorm about that later. And yeah, that's kind of like stuff we have here. I also have like something else too. I have this like chat scene, but I haven't set up the camera yet. Yeah, the chat scene. But since we don't have any chats, or I don't really have, I don't really have the chat box set up over there. So I guess we need to figure out that first. Let's see. OBS is pretty fun. I like it. Figuring this stuff is pretty fun. Go buy tags. So first thing first, I think we need to do like loading screen. Pull out my, yep, there you go. And let's just hide some of the parts in my screen. Probably unnecessary, but let's roll with this. I mean, you can't fit everything. Let's roll with this. Well, so we need, oh, sorry. We're gonna need, we can do canvas. What's the last thing? QHDI. Yep, this one. Highest quality possible. Now we have a blank canvas. I don't know where to start with because I don't have any styles right now. So I really want to use the colors of gray and yellow, golden yellow, wheat yellow, something like that. Let's see. Let's just roll. Let's just try make random stuff. There you go. This is white. So, that's black. So make it a bit upper. So it'd be gray. Hmm. Ah, not this one. Not this one. Oh, this one. All right. Or should we? Hmm. Or should we just use a pen? Let's just try an experiment, shall we? Then we go this, this, this. Right. Now we have this thing. No, 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 no. Hmm. Ah, shimatta. Oops. What's this? Curve. Okay. Now we got the curve right. So basically, this is a shape. Yeah, yeah. There you go. A weird shape. So now let's just fill the shape thing with the color. Just some solid color first. Saturation goes up, light goes up, too bright. And a bit yellowish. Yellow to the orange. We need the lightness up there. That's good. Just that the shape doesn't look good. はい、これ何？あら、えじゃあ、えへー So I guess need to delete this one. How do I delete this thing again? I always forgot the shortcuts. Apologize if my camera doesn't catch my face because I have a second screen over here. So I'm looking at it to take a look closer to it. Yeah, look, my camera. Yeah, squash. And stretch it. And flat. What's the delete button? Ah, that works. Okay. ちょっと待って。
Hey, bro, cool. I just went to the butcher's and stuff. I got some chicken and some wings, and I'm going to be here for the rest of the day. So do you want to just let me know when you want to do dinner? start cooking it.
Sure.
Because it doesn't matter to me what matters for you.
Yes,
I
right.
imagine you're getting a bit hungry right now.
Okay.
Yeah,
How long would it take if you
the wings will take probably about half an hour, and the pasta probably about the same. So like probably, I mean, we'll call it like 45 minutes beforehand, just to make sure that as soon as that sun fucking crosses the horizon, you have a good snack.
No problem.
We'll make sure it's timed well. But no, I'll jump on that at like 7 o'clock-ish.
Yeah,
Does that work for you?
good. Yeah.
Start cooking 7. Sweet man. Nice one. I'm gonna do it with tagliatelle and like a creamy pasta. That's alright with you.
All right.
Smashing, man. No worries.
Nice. Thanks, man.
No worries.
Did you hear that? I want to test if you could hear that. ちょっとね。Hello. Hello. Yeah, you can definitely hear me. Oh my goodness. Am I doing a live stream? Alright. Things to note. Mute your stream before you leave talking to anybody else. Alright. Moving on to our design such passion. Let me just lower this. I honestly don't know the correct direction I'm going to do with this. Just roll with it, like experimenting. I just want to use this color, but let's make it a bit interesting. Duplicate this, and then move this a bit up. Oh, ちょっと違う。これか、これ。This one. Okay. Now that we have moved this, let's just alter its color a bit. Yeah, it looks like that. And then we apply an effect, inner shadow. Yeah, that should be good. Opacity, radius. Offset, and then a bit of radius. Opacity should be a bit max. Let me see. Radius is the blurrish thing, right? Offset. Some grayish color so it won't be like too serious. Or should we extend this thing a bit more? Because you can't see this, obviously. But how about this thing? What if we apply the same effects? Let's copy effect. Copy effect. No. Copy. No copy effect. Just the same steps, I guess. 20. I'm getting hurt for looking here and there. Need to get a really good webcam, independent webcam from my current stationary webcam. It hurts. Radius, offset. This guy. Doesn't look good. I remember a design that I've done back in my days. Something like this. The technique is the same. It's just maybe because of the doesn't fit this design very well. Should we proceed with this? Kind of. I think I want this. Maybe we can like remove. Hue. Hue a bit more. Looks sunny, I. Should I turn on the radius a bit more? Radius, so it we bit blur. 50 is good. Yeah, I think the radius should make it work. Yeah, it looks a wee bit better, right? Radius. Yeah, it kind of look better. This one, I kind of getting a gist of what I'm going to do after this. Okay, now that we have these, I'm going to try moving here, this thing. So it kind of like, it kind of looks better. Just that I'm gonna need to fix this a bit. So it kind of, not kind of. So let's just stylize this thing, okay? Okay, this one. Okay, that's good. Looks good. Okay, this one maybe need to be up. Yeah, I think. Okay, okay. I kind of get it now. Okay, that ends there, and here, and here. So you can get a swoosh effect from, yeah. That looks good. Aye, that is good, aye. Ah, come on. This one. So you kind of boof, kind of get buff in the middle. Or should we do it a bit here? Should we do at this point? Because, okay, we do this point. Okay. Doesn't look buff much. Maybe because it's decreasing the flow. Let's just buff this thing. Let's just do it over here. So it can be a wee bit symmetrical. Let me buff this a bit more. Can also make it asymmetrical. I mean, like these lines are not equally it doesn't 50-50 this thing. It's just like make it a bit random. So you can have wee bit randomness in it. So there you go. Somehow like a sunny effect for my loading screen. Such effort. Wow. Let's do this. I think we should make it open-ended. Straight-ended like this. Maybe not. Okay. Looks cool. Hmm. I think I'll just leave it that way. Hmm. Okay, I thought that was an empty pixel. Now, oh no. Contoh ni. Hmm. Uh, okay. I think I have a better thing. Stream scene. Right. That should not happen. So what should we do is I'm gonna add a window capture. Oh, we have a window capture. That's part capture. Window capture. App cap. Whatever. Let me adjust it. I think this setup is better. Not really learning on the fly, so apologies if I mess up a lot of stuff here. Oh my goodness. I really hate when you can't technically zoom in the studio mode here. Alright. I'm gonna turn off that. Okay. Go. Ha! It doesn't work. Okay. Okay, anyways, continuing. So, but you can see my screen. Oh, okay. I understand what happens now. Contoh ni. It shows the screen, but you can't see the artwork like before, right? But give him a moment to like save this thing first. What should I name it? Stream loading BG. Haha. Okay, now I'm done renaming. Let's just reset to the output before, the setup before. So let's go. Camera. No, I'm learning, don't worry. Let's go back. Okay, now we're back. Let's see my art text. Oh, we just need to add some text. Now loading. Loading. Oh my goodness. That's a very small. Walao. Cannot this one. Let's maximize. Yes, that's more like it. Now we just need to choose a font, which I don't like. I don't know my style, and I should know. I like this, but it's a rocks font. I don't think it's free. Wow. Now in like a normal thing, you would expect to have any animation. Maybe a GIF sequence would be good. Do they have an option to put an image sequence? Image slideshow, not sequence. Does the image supports GIF? You know what? I probably can make a bit better loading screen stuff if I use video editor. So yeah, using a video much better, I guess. So I think I'm just gonna leave it here. Wow, that would be interesting, right? If I can like make this flowy using video editor. Unfortunately, I don't have After Effects to do those kind of stuff because obviously that would be immensely better. Hey, oh sorry, if you use After Effects because you get all the stuff to do there. I mean, you can use Blender, but it's kind of hard. Let's see about this. This needs a bit of like flair. I see. How about we erase this thing? Nah. Nah. I want to do like this, but somehow it feels. You know when they have like this pointy thing, they kind of look incomplete, or should I just leave it? Deep down, right? I do. I do. Think it's good enough. Sure. Something can be better. Something could be better. Oh, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. That's medium. Haha. Yeah, I think it's good enough. The loading needs to be positioned a bit here, I guess. Okay. I think I understand where my unsatisfaction comes from. Let me try something. Okay. これか。Looks a wee bit satisfying. Shut up. Okay, I see. That looks a bit satisfying. This one. This one. Oh. I don't like that. Too sharp. Too sharp. Cover the sharpness. Okay, nice. Yeah. That is good. That is good. Curve should be curvy, not sharp. Let's just take this bit. Oh no. Oh no. Lower. Okay. This one. Second thought. That was decently good. Because I don't really have like style. So if I have like a style, I should think of one, right? Let's just make some final touch-ups. We go higher. Oh, this one first. Yeah, kind of look decently good. Not better. I like it, but not bad. Oh yeah, doesn't look good because of this big yellow. I like the feeling of this being fanning out like this. Yeah, it looks cool. Maybe we could introduce a block. So before it goes up. Sounds weird. Maybe not. Hmm. Yeah, it's good for now. I am satisfied about this. I really want something theme. Excuse me. But I don't have a theme in mind, except that I like to use gray and yellow. So having these complementary colors helped a bit in the design, but there's still a long way to go about this. So yeah, I think this would be my loading screen. Unanimated for now, but it works. Contoh ni, I want to save, so I'm gonna make this screen disappear for a moment. Ooh, yep, there it goes. Okay, now that I've saved that, let's make a scene loading. Scene. Oh. Then add the image that we just made. Where did I put that? Drawbots loading. Ay, tadi. Where did I put it? Oh my goodness. Wait, jatuh. It is in. Oh. Okay. Wrong name. Okay. Oh, so big. Kusodekai. Okay. Wanna see it? Jatuh ni. Let me reappear the my photo. Yep. It's back. So let's see our loading screen that we just made. Click. Ta-da! So yeah, my loading screen static at the moment. Well, I guess that's kind of like there's a lot of stuff I wanna try, or like yeah, I figure out this thing, and I also figure out that using this kind of setup, I can like adjust the screen scene. Yeah, I mean like I can make it crop like this one. Yeah, the crop it over here, crop over here, crop the scene over here, so it's fun to use. If you like to hide something, I thought it was like you need to have a transparent PNG above this thing, above this mainstream thing, main layout. This one you're using only one scene, but apparently you can stack scenes and then make them crop like this. So it's fun. It's fun. Okay. Figuring out stuff is fun, right? Think it's kind of everything. Not everything. There's one more thing I want to try. Let's save this. Close that. You know that there's something that I can do. Like I still don't know how to use an avatar or something, but I do have a trick in my sleeve. It's just that it's kind of unstable to use for streaming, and the application itself is unstable, but it's a fun way, and it's my way to build something. Let's try this one. Soka. I need to turn off my camera first. So hang on, yeah. Stream. I'm gonna be gone. Bye bye. Okay. All right. Yeah, look at that. So basically, what I am trying to do is that I'm gonna make this like my avatar screen or something. What is this? Is actually kind of like a program. Not really program, is something built inside a program that allows you to make effects like this. I'm RGB and my head is spinning. My face is spinning. Let me make it a bit interesting. Okay. You see how it lags right now. That's why one of the reason why I can't use it properly. You know, if it's out of focus, it's gonna save power. It's gonna conserve power, and all of its memory resources are gonna go off. So there you go. Me in RGB. This is because you're seeing double of me because there's me in like I set up here is um here is me in the screen that I'm recording right now, but down here this camera in the usual camera space, this is for this is the my plan to use this camera, but I can't seem to make it work here without making it slow, because if I leave my mouse and do something else outside the preview application, is gonna lag like right now. So it sucks. It doesn't only lags worse, it also have that pixel breaks and something. What is the most interesting way to use this thing? I really love to use this thing. Let me try something else. Close. Let's try. This one is interesting. Yep, I love this one. There you go. And also by using this thing, I kind of need to reselect, no expressions, but something that I built. Woo! So I'm wearing a mask. Pretty interesting, eh? Probably if I have no. Um, I need to find a way on how to make this application works continuously in the background, having all the needed resources without it entering a power saving mode where it cuts its memory resources or anything. And I also need to build something very interesting with this thing. I want to see something more. Let's see. Yeah, this one. I like this one too because it has been inspired by one of my faves. Look at that! Dancing candles. Wonderful. The sparkles are just here because it's optimized for what I'm building for. It's actually for Instagram filters. So basically you build AR stuff in this. So yeah, I built stuff like this for Instagram. My Instagram, in my Instagram, yeah. So I built stuff like this, and it's inspired by. Well, I guess you can tell. Yeah, I like build stuff like this, and I kind of hope that by using the stuff that I can build in that thing, I can maybe make use of it for streaming, I guess. But it's kind of hard to do it since the power saving stuff. No way. So far, no way. But I need to find some solutions whether I can like continuously focus on this app um, without it being ignored. And the other bothering stuff is that it needs a full screen to hide the UI. So if it doesn't have the UI, if it's not in the full screen mode, it's gonna show the window UI. I mean the window capture will break technically. You can see, as you can see over here. Doko. Ah, ah, これじゃないわ。あ、そっか、ここか。Wait. Boing. Okay. As you can see here, let me make this disappear for a moment and explain about here. ちょっとね。Okay. As you can see the UI stuff here. Maybe not the window UI, but you still can see the panels up and right, left, whatever. Panels on the sides and the top. I wish they could, hide the panels. That would be better because by just using the window capture utility in OBS, I can like just screen and there you go. I can get whatever size that I want to get. It makes it way better to do it. Or what I can do is set up the scene, set up scene, and just from there, I guess. But then again, we have the problem of this program not focus, not being focused, uh, and it will. Well, how do I say that? And it will lag. Yes, that's how it go. So let's see if it continues. Okay, it's gonna lag. It's gonna flash. Yeah, you see, you're already seeing that because it doesn't have enough resources to render these stuffs, so it's gonna lag. So it's not practical at the moment to use it for like an avatar or something. But I do have, I think I built something with avatar like experience. So let me pull that up quickly. I'm gonna show you the screen for now. Cha. Okay, open. ちょっと待ってね。Give small, sorry, crystal factor, sparky, I guess it thing. Or did I put it somewhere else? Chatta. Okay, this kind of like interesting too. Yeah, this one is interesting. I love this one. Wait, ちょっと。Need something better for that. Sorry for the hold up. Okay, maybe we just test this thing first. I love this. Cha. Guess who? I really love this. It's Adudu. Focus here. The tracking is not great because I'm apparently because of my camera, I guess. It works great in phone. Let me show you. Tracking is great on phone. Yeah. Smoother, especially when you use iPhones. It's just because the world is unfair. Sorry. You can see, my goodness. Yep. Chotto, does it track too? Oh my goodness, it also tracks that. Oh my goodness, it also tracks. Oh, I can't see that eye. Nah, doesn't work. It doesn't work. But I say, yeah, it's because of like the frame rate of my camera is very low, I guess. I don't think it's even 30 FPS. It just sucks. I need a new webcam for sure. But I like this. I like to use these kind of camera effects. This one is from Meta, Facebook. So yeah, there's also one from SnapLens, but I haven't used that yet. Not pro yet. Currently learning about it, but it's a process, learning process. Where is that thing? Pursuit, but you had la 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 la. Activity shadow, stick, hat tail, Kira, la 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 la. Party, what is rainfall? Certified time. Stop the snow. Not that one. Oh my goodness, I also forgot. Where did I put that? It's here. Just don't know which one is it. Doll. Okay, this one. Got it. But this is not mine. Where did I put mine? So this is an example of like what you can do with proper. Oh, sorry, didn't say that. Hey, korekana. This is an example of what you can do. Just show you guys this thing. Yep, this should be better. Full screen, boom. There you go. Yeah, this shows that. Oh, sorry, not this one. Okay, make it a bit better. Oh my goodness, I need to manage the snaps. Okay, that should be good. Should be good enough. So this is an example of like what you can do with the program itself. So this is like what I kind of want to use over VTuber stuff yet. I mean, those are great, but it kind of like takes a lot of my time. So using this program, I can make it easy. It's easier for me. Yes, it's easier for me to use this just for my own purposes, of course. So it's for me. It's kind of like a creative way on executing the same effect. You get the same thing. Um, you get the same thing using some other ways. So it's kind of interesting to do so. And as you can see, the tracking is kind of like wobbly because um well, it's not perfectly correct. So that's that. Oh, wow, wow, wow. I like this one. So it's not mine to be exact. I have one mine, but I forgot what's the name of my project. So don't I don't know where is it to load it. Let me try to search for it. Gone. Ooh. Pretty sure it's kind of like here. That one, not 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 that one. I honestly forgot. I forgot the project's name. The effect name, I do remember it, and I do still have it on my Instagram. So, ちょっと a bit, ちょっと a bit sounds wrong. 待って a bit would be cool. Eh, what's the effect name again? Let me check. Activity log, details, files, sparky.args. I can't find it anywhere. Honestly, can't find it. I can't find it. So yeah. Well, I guess back to our mainstream. ちょっとね. I think I want to set up the chat. Hi. I'm gonna set up my chat scene. So give me a moment. I haven't added the camera yet. Is it camera stuff? Is it window capture? No, not that one. Display video capture device. Yeah, this one. Okay. Let's move on to the chats. Yep, as you can see, I'm here. I'm here. Hi, hello. So I guess that's kind of like all for stream figuring out. Stream figuring out how to stream. It's kind of fun. Learning how to stream. Now I know how painful it is to stream. Yeah, it's interesting. I plan to do games in the future, but like I only have a few games on my desktop. Have these few games, and then I don't really have a capture device to play games on my Switch. I have a Switch, and I really want to play it. Yeah, even though casually, I really want to like stream, so that some things caught on camera. Yes, I do have my, wow, stretch it. Look my, yeah, yeah. I love my Switch. I want to play lots of games in it. Even a quick Tetris 99 play. I want to do it. Reflections. I want to play Switch games, but I don't have a capture device. I don't have like the sufficient peripherals and equipment to stream consoles at the moment. Hopefully one day, maybe I can like invest cheaply on a cheap one first. I mean, in the past, I did bought one in Malaysia I bought at Shopee for like 30 ringgits or something. That's like $10, $10, less than £10. Dirt cheap, if I say so myself. And I tried test recording, not streaming. Um, decently good. Yeah, decently good. Yeah, decently good. And you can do the basic stuff, but you can't. I don't think you can like capture the full without much latency, without getting much latency in it. I managed to like minimize the latency and stuff, and they have like issues like this weird syncing lines. They have like 60 hertz refresh or something like that, and then I had to adjust in OBS. Um, yeah, I had to adjust that so that it won't have that weird sync refresh line that refresh every seconds. It appears on the screen from up to down, right? The TV in the old days where they have like moving pixel lines from up to down. They still do now, just we don't realize it, right? Yeah, I wanted to stream that. Apart from that, I might do game streams more on Twitch because it's um easier to get viewership. It's not like I'm targeting for viewership, but um just for trying out the platform. Hopefully, hopefully. Man, I want to talk to somebody. I want to talk to somebody. I just don't have someone else. This is like my normal thing to do, is talking to myself. Now I need to figure out how to do this chat. Speaking of that, why don't we do that? Figure out the chat stuff. How to set up YouTube chat for OBS display YouTube chat. And no, not C display. Come on. I kind of like managed to do it in the past, but let me try to do something. Hello. Okay, there goes my chat. Real time live chat. And like I see my chat, but how do I display it on my OBS screen? Is that something that I can like display it? Huh? I kind of like the other day there was like time, not time. There was a moment that I kind of figured it out. But yeah, let's just take a look at the YouTube video. I'm gonna turn off the audio monitor for that thing first. So that's, and then stream scene and chat scene. You can't hear it because I'm not turning on the. Hmm. Yeah, that sounds simple, but I kinda like, okay, I kinda get it, like how. Okay, because people use like Streamlabs or anything. So let me try something. Mm, ちょっとね That's kind of good enough. Apply. And go browser, something like that. Contoh. Let me see. This setup. Alright, okay. Oh, wrong one. Haha. Boom. Now I see my chat. But it's like that. Can you make it unfix? Height 600, 800, 900. Wow, that's long. Long boy. That's not good, How do you make it transparent? I suppose you'd use Streamlabs or something. No default thing, because the last time I tried, I'm not sure it's the last time. I wasn't paying attention that time. Just reduce that. Yep. Oh, you didn't see it, so sorry. Ta-da! So there goes my chat. However, it doesn't satisfy me at all. This is not the chat I want. I guess you'd use something like Streamlabs for this, right? So yeah, now we figure out those kind of stuff. So kind of productive today. We figure out text. Text we made our loading background, and then we set it up. Then we tried out the Spark as in the program that I use for like the camera effect stuff. We tried it out, but limitation and stuff. And here we have the chat set up, and there's not much, but I think it's a progress. I also have this smaller chat scene, but kind of like no use since nothing much over there. Oh yes, also I just realized that the as you can see over here, the shadows are not equally balanced. Maybe that's what makes it a bit irritating. I'll fix that later. So I guess might stream something different later. Maybe some games, maybe at Twitch, maybe at YouTube. I also want to like stream when I do my projects so that maybe you guys could see it, something. Maybe. Well, I guess that's all. It's been a good good stream, I guess. Okay, moving out. Bye bye. Oh, I think we also need to make an ending card. We have a start card, we have a loading card. We need an ending card. Also, I also want to make a stinger transition. Like I have this stinger transition, but yeah, I have this stinger transition, but I want to make my own too. Yeah. I also want to figure out what I'm going to do with this background too, because I need to figure out a theme for myself. so I can customize, make it more me. I'm still unsure on what content I wanted to do, but mostly it would be, I think gaming would be here on Twitch. Um, Here I would do my projects and stuff, I guess, when I want to make maybe that Stinger. Maybe I want to do some things in Blender and my Spark projects. Yeah, I stream that. I try to stream that. Let's see how it goes. I want to stream games, but but Twitch is smoother with games, and it's kind of like um you can like specialize the categories a bit better over there. Yeah, and it's kind of like it's the truth that you can gain viewers easier on Twitch because it's a live streaming platform rather than here, I guess. But we'll see. I still stream in both platforms at the moment. Look, my face. Banyak. I like it. Guess. See you guys tomorrow. Good day. Happy Ramadan. It's raining outside. I want to see the sun backside. It's raining, it's cold. See you guys later. Bye bye. Also, how do you like end stream? Do you just end it here or do you need to end um on YouTube? I think you need to end on YouTube, but you end it on YouTube. But when you end on YouTube, does it end here? Let's find out. So, anyways, bye bye. I'm gonna put you guys. Yeah, I think I have a end card. You guys are gonna see it. End card. Ta-da! All right, bye.